Hello guys, good to have you back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the menu language on a Volkswagen T Roc. It's a 2019 model. Okay, let's get right to it. As you can see, our dashboard and our menu is in English, and I'm going to show you how you can change it back to another language. Okay. As you can see, there are a few buttons over here. Go to the menu button. Yes, once you are here, there are two dots, so you can go to the right and you have to go to settings. And as you can see, the language menu is over here. Press it and press the desired language. In this case, I'm going to choose Dutch. Once you have done that, let it do its work and check it, and as you can see, the language is now in Dutch. Thanks for watching. That was it for today. This is how you change language on a Volkswagen T Roc. Hope to see you next time with another video of Service Reset My Car. Thank you. Bye bye.